it's working now. See that? Okay. Hey, welcome to fishbowlproduction. My name is Suren, and I wanted to. I've been meaning to replace this faucet here. So what it is when I do the dishes, I actually have to lean forward a little bit because again, this one does not come as forward and as high. So there are a couple of things that I can't I find it a little inconvenient. It's working just fine, but like I said, if I can lift this a little up that way, and then I can do the bigger dishes. So this comes in the way. This thing right here comes in the way when I'm doing bigger dishes. So it will help for me to raise this just up a little bit, and then also be able to bring this forward a little bit so I can actually wash the dishes like this. So as it is, I hunch a little bit when I'm like say working or riding a motorcycle, and so I'm really hoping that bringing this up right about here will actually put me at a position where I can actually have my body upright, so my posture is better that way. So again, we will do that today. All right, I'll take you for a ride here. Let's do this thing. I actually already have a new faucet that I'll be replacing here with, and I will show you that first, and then we'll come back and do this. All right. Oh, there's a lot of junk here. So here it is. I need to make sure that I remove this one. Alright. And then I want to make sure that I turn off the water supplies, of course. So these knobs, make sure that these are turned off because you don't want water spewing all over the place. And also this one right here. So let's get started first by turning off these things here. So okay, alright, so good. So both of those are closed. I'm gonna go and check and make sure that the water is really turned off before I start disconnecting and connecting the remaining pieces. So when you're working on your water lines, always make sure that you have a bucket handy and some rags, because what is going to happen is when you open up the lines, there's going to be some residual water on the line that may start flowing backwards, and you want to be able to catch that, or you will have to do a lot of cleaning after. So in order to avoid having to clean a whole lot, just go ahead and have a bucket handy. Alright, and so now this is the moment of truth, guys. If it's working, it should not be leaking at this point, so I'm gonna open this one. Alright. Okay. Hopefully this is not leaking. This one could be a problem, but we'll see about that. So let's open that one as well. All right, and then we'll open that one as well. Okay. And so now at this point we can go to the faucet and check if the faucet is working or not. And then after that we can tighten. So let's do this. Alright. Oh my goodness. See that? This is cold. Yeah, so that's cold. And that's hot. Yeah, I'm getting hot water. And that's setting it back, closing it. It's looking good. Now I can go to the bottom and then start tightening everything. And I just want to make sure when I come back in a couple hours there is no, no leaks or anything like that. And then it's all set. And I think I'm gonna hang this thing right here. All right, so at this point I'll be checking couple stuff for the next few days. One is over here, as I swivel the faucet around, I just want to make sure that this does not come loose, which it should not, but it's just something to check and make sure, because I'm not quite sure how good this is gonna function. And then the second thing I'm gonna be checking is this one right here. So that one on the right was not leaking as much from the get-go, but this one seemed to be having some sort of problem for the hot water side. I didn't see, so after I wiped it dry, I didn't see any water here right now, but it's just something to keep my eyes out for and make sure that nothing bad is happening there, like especially leaking. Water leaking can be a bad thing, so I just want to be on the watch out for that. Alright, with that I'm just gonna clean up this space a little bit, and then everything that was here before can come back in, but we actually have to head out for a quick brunch with cousins. And alright, with that said, guys, hopefully you loved this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. If you like or dislike anything on the video, comment below. I'll be happy to read that. And most importantly, please stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you on the next video. And here you go, guys, it's working now. See that? I can actually turn on hot, and then I can also do this.